Hello my friends, my name is LaZeR and welcome back to the channel, and today I've returned to Eastleigh train station. Now a lot of you have been informing me that apparently Mayflower, I think it's a Thompson B1 class steam engine, is due to pass Eastleigh today, and I thought it would be a good idea to actually come down to Eastleigh and film it, because I've only seen Mayflower once and that was, such a long time ago. I had much longer hair back then. But I am a bit early. It's 8:50 in the morning, so it's quite early. So come with me on this extraordinary journey. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not click that subscribe button and turn the bell notification on as well, so stay notified to the channel. I mean, it's just a click of a button. But we're gonna have a good day, and I'll take you guys along for the journey. So let's get to it.
Eastleigh, Southampton Avenue Parkway, Southampton Central, Brockenhurst.
Well, I've made it to Eastleigh with lots of time to spare. It's actually quite empty here in Eastleigh Yards today. And also, this is the perfect opportunity for me to actually test out a new microphone that I'm using. In fact, if I unplug it quickly, there we go. Just looks like a big fluffy ball, doesn't it? But no, it's just a windbreaker, so it cancels out the wind. But I've taken the microphone, I've unplugged it from the phone, so maybe there's a difference in audio. But then if I plug it back in again, so yeah, hopefully that's made a difference. Basically, it cancels out the wind, so you don't hear that horrible blowy effect. So that's what the big fluffy ball does to the microphone. The microphone is actually inside the fluffy ball. But hopefully the audio quality has made a difference with this new microphone. Big thank you to my dad for actually giving me this microphone. It was actually his microphone, but he gave it to me. Love you, Dad. Thank you so much. I've got such awesome parents. My dad supplies all the cool tech for the channel, and my mum is very supportive of me of being a YouTuber. So I'm so lucky to have such awesome parents. Eastleigh is a lovely station, I think. I really would love to see this station in Train Sim World 4. Dovetail Games, if you're watching, we need this station in Train Sim World.
Please make your way over to platform number 2. There has been a platform alteration. Train now arriving in the platform 2 is the 0947 Southwestern.
I just thought to myself, why is it so much more fun when you see a steam train on the main line? Because when you see it at Heritage Railway, it's nice. But why is it so much more fun when it's on the main line? I can't explain why, but it's more fun this way. I've now been here for another 2 hours. It is now 12 o'clock. The schedule that I thought it was gonna come in, I think it's changed. I don't actually know what has happened, but I'm assuming the schedule has changed because it hasn't actually come through yet. So it's at Botley, not Botley, the other one, Hedge End, I think. Hold on, which one's first, Botley or Hedge? Anyway, it's over there at the next stop, refilling with water, and then it's going to pass through here. So it's delayed. Been here waiting here for maybe 4 hours, because I've been here since, hold on, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, I've been here for 4 hours. 4 hours. That's dedication right there. Met a lot of lovely train enthusiasts and train spotters. Yeah, I think we're having such a good day so far. And then once I'm done here, I'm going to head over to the model shop in Eastleigh. Well, here, because I'm in Eastleigh, duh. And I'm going to pick up some more supplies for the model railway build project. That's good. There's another train coming past. Look at that. Hello. Hey, you got a wave. How lovely. Very nice. Right. So then, any luck, Mayflower should be passing very soon. With hope. You can only hope. Well, my friends, I think I'm going to end the video for today. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Follow me on my Twitter and Instagram and Twitch. All the links are in the description. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.